Yeah, we seen creating person object, right? We seen creating a person object. Let me see creating list of values. We may heard in Python, we may heard collection framework, right? We may heard collection framework. What is the purpose of collection framework? In a single variable, we can store multiple values. Example, li is a variable. In this variable, we can store collection of values 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma. Like this, we can store collection of values. So here, using Jinja template also, we can store list of values. We can store list of values. So using set variable name, we can create a list of values. List of values. We can access that list using index. Using index. Okay. So I want to access this value. Then list of 0. I want to access this value. List of 1. I want to access this value. List of 2. Index starts from 0. Index ends with n minus 1. Then finally, I am printing entire length of list using length variable. We can create variable. We can store one object, or we can create a variable. We can store collection of values. Next one tip. Next one. Next one tip. Third syntax. So we seen how to declare a variable and how to access variable. Second, in this first syntax, we can also use looping. Then now let's see how to write looping using Jinja template. So first I am creating one variable temp equal to 90. Then I am writing Jinja template starting syntax. If temp greater than 70 and temp less than or equal to 80, I need ice cream. Then if elif temp greater than 80, then I need ice. Then finally, else we can write final value. So if else conditions, we can write using Jinja template. We can declare variables. We can use those variables for writing if, elif, else conditions. On top of model, if you want to write any control statements, looping statements, we can use this syntax. Curly braces, starting bracket, and curly braces, end bracket, we write control statements. So we see this first syntax. First one, we created variables. Second one, we see writing looping logic. Next, let's see how to write expressions inside a Jinja template. How to define, before that, let's see how to write a looping logic. Set flavors, I created a collection variable. Then for I in flavors, it will take each element value by value in this I variable. Then we are printing that value. Then this one iterate value by value automatically. You no need to write initialization logic, condition logic, or increment decrement logic. It will iterate value by value in a list. Then we are printing that value. Let me write this logic. Let's create a loop.sql. Loop.sql. I'm creating industries. I'm creating file name loop.sql, and then I'm writing this logic. Then click on this print one. So here and line one at position 0. So here we are printing message, right? This message. Now we are printing this value. It is iterating first value. This time we are printing value. It will iterate next value. We are printing value. Next value we are printing. So here this is line number 1. Syntax error at line 1.